Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to make your own fine motor activity container. So here you can see I'm using one container and these are the lids, and you can see here also I have an ice cream container and these two lids. This is for the popsicle stick drop and this is for the card slot drop. If you guys haven't checked my video on this, please go and you can check the link in the description box. I have shared it with you guys. Now this is another thing that I have done. With this bottle I just made a hole right here, and here I just kept this gap so that I can remove the materials out, and I use duct tape so that it may not hurt. I'm planning to make a piggy bank or a coin drop container activity, so let's get started. Here I'm done, and I'm going to do a little testing right now by just putting the coins, and I'll just check if it goes through, and if it doesn't then you need to check accordingly and try to make the slit. Now don't make the slit too thin, it's a little difficult to make it thin through the cutter. Anyways, yes, so I'm going to put the biggest one. Okay, yes, it goes through. Okay, so stay tuned, and in a while I'm going to show you how you can do activities with all these containers, and I'm also going to show you a video on the activities that I did with Jordan with these containers. If you like my video, go ahead and like the video and also subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. See you guys, bye. Okay, Jordan, come on. Good. Yeah. Come on, drop, baby. Drop activity now for you, baby. Yeah.
Good.
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 Pom-poms.
Duck. Duck. Pea. Yay!
Yellow. Very good. You're saying the colors. Very good. Which color, Jordan? Red. Very good. Taps. Come on, Jody. You can do it. Yay! Come on, go fast. Coins, say coins. Very good. Come on, baby, fast. You can do it.